In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Peace be upon you all. This is an English session, grade 9th. Today, I'm going to explain Unit 5, Lesson 1. The title of this unit is Communication and Sharing Information. What's the meaning of communication? Communication means to exchange information. Communication means to exchange information or to express your thoughts and feelings. Sharing means to use or have something with others or with other people. To use or to have something with other people. This unit is talking about modern ways of sending information, but it's important to know the old ways of sending information. Did you ask yourself this question? How did people send messages in the past? How did people send messages in the past? People in the past used a lot of ways to sending messages. Old ways of sending messages. Number 1, horse. Is it a bird or an animal? Exactly, it's an animal. Okay? In the Arab world, men used to carry messages from one place to another using a horse. This messenger service started in 670. It was called al-Barid service. So, who can answer question number 1? When did al-Barid service start? It's so easy. Al-Barid service start in 670. It started in 670. Number 2, light houses. People used to build lighthouses near the sea to warn ships of danger. To warn ships of danger. What's the meaning of lighthouse? Lighthouse is a tower with a powerful flashing light. So, who can answer this question? When was the best time to use lighthouses? Day or night? And why? When was the best time to use lighthouses? Day or night? And why? The best time to use lighthouses is at night. Why? Because the light is clearer at night. The best time to use lighthouses at night because the light is clearer at night. Again, when was the best time to use lighthouses? Day or night, and why? The best time to use lighthouses is at night because the light is clear at night. Okay? So, who can answer this question? True or false? And correct. The best time to use lighthouses is in the morning. It's false. If you wanted to correct it, so you must say the best time to use lighthouses is at night, not in the morning. Okay? Number 3, drum. In the past, people used drum to warn some people from danger, or to send messages, or to tell someone to do something. Number 4, smoke signals. What's the meaning of smoke? Smoke is white or black or gray gas that's produced by burning things. Signals. What's the meaning of signal? Signal is the sound or an action that you make in order to tell someone to do something or in order to give information. American used to light fires on the tops of mountains. Tops is the opposite of bottom. Americans used to light fires on the tops of mountains to warn ships or to give information or to send messages from one place to another or from one location to another. Okay? Number 4, flag. Some countries used a flag. What's the meaning of flag? Flag is a piece of cloth that represents a country or an organization. Some countries used flags to send messages or to warn of danger or to give someone information or to tell someone to do something. Okay? The last one is pigeon. Pigeon, what's the meaning of pigeon? Pigeon is a bird. People used to carry messages using pigeon from Egypt to Syria. A good pigeon could fly from Egypt to Syria without stopping. A good pigeon could fly from Cairo to Syria without stopping. Question number 3. How did pigeon know to carry messages pigeon know to carry messages from one place to another? How did pigeon know to carry messages from one place to another? A pigeon is a smart bird, so they were sent with messages. They were sent with messages to their homes. So they could find their ways easily. They were sent with messages to their homes, so they could find their ways. To summarize, old ways of sending information or old ways of sending messages: horse, lighthouses, drum, pigeon, flag, and smoke signals. What about the modern ways of sending information? Nowadays, we use a lot of ways to send information. How many modern ways of sending information can you think of? I think today we use a lot of modern ways to send information. Modern ways of sending information. Modern ways of sending information. We use, for example, television, radio, letters, WhatsApp, and telephone, and smartphones. Last but not least, Facebook. So, the modern ways of sending information: television, radio, letters, smartphones, Facebook, WhatsApp, telephone, and other applications, and emails. Okay? New structure. Used to. Used to, we use it to talk about our past habits. It must be followed by the infinitive form of the verb. Used to talk about our past habits. it must be followed by the infinitive form of the verb. What's the meaning of the infinitive form? It's the main verb or the base verb or verb without any additions. For example, go, read, speak, eat, drink, and other verbs without any additions. For example, I used to go horse riding. Where is the verb? The verb is go. It's a main verb. It's in the infinitive form. But now I haven't got a horse. I used to go horse riding, but now I haven't got a horse. Another example, she used to be shy, but now she's confident. Confident is the opposite of shy. Okay? She used to be shy, but now she's confident. Choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. When I was young, I used to space early. Used to sleep or sleeping or slept. So the correct answer is sleep, because sleep is in the infinitive form of the verb. When I was young, I used to sleep early. Number 2, people used to build space near the sea to send information. Or to send messages. People used to build house, lighthouses, or hotels. People used to build. The correct answer is lighthouses. Study hard. Be safe. Goodbye. See you next session.